Obi the DJ Bobby yire number na mama sem frɛ no. Mami me ferry no. I think so no. Ono kwane. Yeah, hello.
Hello, Wendy.
What you saying?
Hey, yo.
A good evening. Me patch sister no yeah decorations ni ana.
I'm fine.
Yes, so decoration dia ya na fe.
Sawo.
Ai. Na aya oji ahe decoration no.
Yeah, depending on person.
Na dia fukra ya he.
Why not get me?
Your friend Prince here me worry next month 25th. Ewo wudini.
25th one.
25.
Prince, when you but over to me after me ochina.
Me pena na ji ochina saying. Ade wo ye bibia na wada.
Mada.
Woni hwane hye dem wono. Woni hwane hye dem wono.
Meni miku.
Na juse na mo hye dem wo ye den. Ye we pese o san nyim bi mo hu.
Ai.
Ana obaye de man ya asemi frɛ ochina no. Obaji ahe.
My 2005.
Decorations no.
Aye.
That dey we. Udi agra na sister. Ana wani bresem.
Meni abrepa Honeywood ni.
Oh. Decorations na baby bi fufura ka ho.
Me nyome bebre.
E fa ne sen ho. E den na ba ya ka ho no. Na we dey when nkrofo kan fo nti we nkrofo frɛ wo na 1500 dey say doso
sao
na wo be den aka ho
na ne wudi ne ya hane
na wudi na say lorry fare kora ba ma lorry fare nya €50 na wo be charge 1500 decoration
50 oh
no when ni bere man na say wudi me ho agro
Mindu ago. Una wudi ago.
No, many person pa me just agro. Yes, we are friendly na me no wudi come na 1500 aden. Oh, now what ni person man aje me sem mpo.
Why not to me friendly?
Na dabi o we dey emra the decoration ko na o yama me no.
Me say then na wo pay. It depends on what you want.
Me pa cho me akatwi na me tiase o se den.
Me say depending ya wo pay. Then over say me yama.
Na me say dey fo kra ya he.
Honeywood ni wo.
Enyu fa Honeywood ne to nchen. Ti wo ya wo di ahe dey fo no di ahe. Hey, sister any wanya ho papa, sister ti mo de papa. Na decoration 1500 na dey obebo nyum baje ahe. E na jobe ye dwane baje ahe. E say na aware na pese obu ofa kwa bi su bu me. Na masikura me ko wala masibaji ahe. Na decoration 1500 aden. Ha. Na 1500 wo de ko Ghana mu ahe. Wo de ko Ghana 1500 you say
I don't think Ghana banche.
Fe abaya yi ni 7 months.
I see.
Adentia. Ubenya mkasati ana.
Baby.
Na decoration na yahe. Wo de bra form. Adia yesi mo de flower bi bo ha na mo de we abo na wo de ahoma we aso ankrofo.
Sa.
O de opa ma ye ma ni nyina ne lorry fare nya 150.
And I'm for musica. When you ready some why.
Na 1500 na woni bere se ma na se wo di agro mami.
Ya bre papa.
Dabi ni aduane anaze entoma na de ba be se dem ho no.
Diane bay no fear shopping kwa we is saying.
And I'm afraid online.
Yeah.
Now what is saying?
Your friend Mrs. Bobby.
Mrs. Diane
Bobby.
And who's way?
Didn't know Mrs. Bobby.
Say name in the idea here.
Bobby.
And a name in the idea here, Mrs. No.
Mrs.
The
Yeah.
title name. Oh, my can you hear my 150 bin by in my way? We're trying to clean my end.
Oh,
Now, come on, say, I can't go young Oji.
yeah, sure. So 150 when you have it.
No, okay, well, last price, I.
Mrs. I do 1,005. Mindia go. And no point the list.
Send them Busai.
The list in the metro 1,005.
Now, the last in this way.
Eh?
So, see the list, but not the list. The last. And I'm the last in this way, saying.
I don't know from your china.
Oh, my new Komoka Karamia Cram, no, because I'm a Yeni Mawaha.
What's your for a prince? Oh,
Midiankasa.
eh.
Midi the DJ BRETUOBA. Mommy, yeah. I'm sorry. No, me invest me you, but that was a professional. Now me force, now me yakakra. Jina na me show me West ni, you know. Oh God, I'm sorry, sweetheart. I'm sorry.
No problem.
Okay. So, me more the chance of advertising. You 1,005 na any reason or you now the agro.
No.
Serious?
Yeah.
Me more the chance. Me more the chance of advertising. You have 30 seconds, Yanko. Your own advert. You're on radio. So we waiting. Hello.
Hi.
Me see me more 30 seconds for your own advert. What do I say? I'm saying, I want to pay him, bro. DJ Bobby near. DJ. Mommy, only words to say. Oh, and right?
Mighty.
Okay, we love you, mommy. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Let me call work upon. I didn't have a seven anyway. You, Miss Frank, you know. DJ Bobby, good evening to you. Bobby is a brother from another mother. He has been in the business for a very long time. He's still in the business. Big ups to you, DJ Bobby.
BRETUOBA. BRETUOBA.